Assalamualaikum and good day. In this video, we are going to look at the second part of iron-iron carbide phase system. In the first part, we already look at solid phases, and in this video, we are going to look at a little bit on phase transformation reaction. For phase transformation reaction, we have three invariant points. The first one, we have eutectic. Eutectic is over here. The second one, we have eutectoid over here. And the third one, we have peritectic. Please remember, for eutectic, single liquid phase will change into two solid phases. For iron-iron carbide system, the two solid phases are gamma austenite and cementite. This transformation is done upon cooling. Upon heating, gamma austenite plus cementite will transform into liquid. And then the second one, we have eutectoid at B over here. We must remember, for eutectoid, single solid phase will transform into two solid phases. In this case, for iron-iron carbide phase system, we have the single solid phase is austenite will transform into two solid phases which are alpha ferrite and cementite. Alpha ferrite plus cementite, we call it as pearlite. This reaction occurs upon cooling. When we heat it up, upon heating, it is reversed. The third one, we have peritectic at point C over here. For peritectic phase transformation reaction, the delta ferrite plus liquid phase will transform into gamma austenite or gamma iron. This reaction occurs upon cooling. Upon heating, austenite can transform into delta ferrite plus liquid. For eutectic region, liquid at composition of 4.3 weight% of carbon at temperature of 1147 degrees Celsius to transform into gamma or austenite with 2.14 weight% of carbon plus cementite with 6.7 weight% of carbon. For eutectoid reaction, austenite with 0.76 weight% of carbon at temperature of 727 degrees Celsius upon cooling down will transform into alpha ferrite with composition of carbon at 0.022 weight% and cementite at 6.7 weight% of carbon. Lastly, for peritectic reaction, delta ferrite with composition of 0.1% weight carbon plus liquid with 0.5 weight% of carbon at 1493 degrees Celsius will transform into austenite with composition of 0.18 weight% of carbon. This figure shows in detail on peritectic, eutectoid, and eutectic phase transformation reaction. For eutectoid, we have hypoeutectoid region and hypereutectoid region. For eutectic, we also have hypoeutectic and hypereutectic. Hypo and hyper will tell us on their microstructure development. That's all a little bit on phase transformation reaction. As for the second part of iron-iron carbide system, in the third part we will look at allotropy transformation And the fourth part, we will see microstructural changes. We will meet again in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.